This is a Juki LS 1341. We will set the timing of the needle to hook. Firstly, we will remove the bobbin and bobbin case. Lift foot up. We will remove the feed dog. After removing the feed dog, you can see the hook and needle here. We need to time the hook point with the needle. Here is the hook point. Very sharp part on the hook. We'd better lean the machine this way to make it easier to time the hook. Then take off this cover. On this lower gear, it has 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. You need an Allen wrench, number 3, to loosen these 3 screws. After loose these 3 screws, the gear can be moved away. We move it this way. After loosening the 3 screws on the lower gear, now this hook is free to move. It's free to move around. Now you use the hand wheel to bring the needle down to the lowest dead point. Then, bring the needle up 2 to 3 millimeters from the dead point. Then turn this hook, to move the hook point aligned with the center of the needle. When the hook point is at the center of the needle, put the Allen wrench inside the screw to move the gear back. Make sure the lower gear is engaged with the upper gear. At the same time, you can turn the gear up and down to make sure the hook point will align with the center of the needle. Then lock one screw tight. At the same time, you can turn the hand wheel to see if the hook point passes the needle from the right point. The hook point should pass the needle roughly 2 millimeters above the needle hole. You see, this one is correct. If the timing is correct, remember to lock all these 3 screws tightly. After setting the timing, we will put the cover back. We will put back the feed dog. When we put back the feed dog, Make sure these pieces of the hook will be in the groove of the feed dog. After put everything back, we will test the machine. Normal and reverse sewing are all good, so the timing is good now.